Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Audi S3 louder. The most effective way to achieve a more aggressive sound is by modifying the exhaust system. We'll explore specific components that contribute to a significant increase in volume. It's crucial to understand the potential effects on your car's performance and any legal considerations before making changes. Let's dive into the best approaches for that desired roar. Upgrading your Audi S3's exhaust system is the most direct route to a louder sound. A catback exhaust replaces everything from the catalytic converter rearward, often resulting in a deeper, more aggressive tone. For an even more substantial increase in volume, consider a performance downpipe, which improves exhaust flow. Alternatively, a resonator delete can provide a noticeable sound boost without a full system replacement. While the exhaust is key, other modifications can subtly enhance your Audi S3's auditory experience. An open-air intake system can bring more induction noise into the cabin, adding to the overall aggressive feel. Some advanced engine tuning software allows for adjustments to exhaust valve operation, potentially making the car louder in certain drive modes. Removing sound-deadening material is an option, though it primarily affects interior noise levels. Before making any changes, always check your local noise regulations to ensure your modifications are compliant. Professional installation is highly recommended for exhaust and intake systems to guarantee proper fitment and prevent any issues. Remember, a louder car can be exhilarating, but safety and legality are paramount. Also, for other great deals, and to check out those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to look at the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.